Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing? If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So you guys, I'm super uber excited because I know that I did an initial review of this product. But this time you guys get to see me actually apply it to my hair because I got my hair loose out for you guys. So I want you guys to really be able to see why I like this product, why I think it does such a good job with my hair. This is something crucial you should be applying to your natural hair. In my opinion, it works for me thus far. It may be something beneficial and helpful for you as well. So I just got done washing my hair with shampoo, so I'm going to go in with a leave-in treatment. This is the this is the Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. This is for natural curls, coils, and waves. It restores and strengthens your hair. I've only used it one time before, so this is going to be my second time using this. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap my hair. This is my hair freshly washed with shampoo. And so I'm just going to kind of go in, nothing perfect. And just kind of section my hair just a tad bit. It's a little shampoo in there, but that's okay. Section it again. I want at least 4 sections. Depending on how much hair you have, you may have more than 4 sections. I'm only going to use about that much. I'm going to apply it generously to each section of hair, because she loves this stuff. I like to kind of comb through with my hands. And I'm going to do the same thing, quick little twist. Just to kind of help seal in that moisture. I'm going to put my t-shirt back over my head to kind of just help heat it up a little bit. We're going to let this sit for 30 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to come back and show you my hair. Okay, you guys, so it's 2:10. It's a little bit past 30 minutes. Took off my little t-shirt I had over my head. I'm going to go ahead and take this bag off to have this on my hair just to kind of hold moisture and heat in there. So as you guys can see, some of the conditioner or deep treatment mask did melt into my hair. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rinse this out, show you guys what my hair looking like. Okay, so give me about 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, the reason I'm gonna ash is because I did take a shower. That's why my clothes have kind of changed. Okay. All right, so let me jump into it. Okay, you guys, so I just got done washing out the deep treatment mask. I did follow up with the regular conditioner to wash my hair. So I started out with my regular shampoo. I applied the deep treatment mask by Cantu, and then I followed up with the conditioner after that. So let's just kind of see what my hair is looking like. And I have to say my hair feels uber soft, just like how I like it. Looks good. It looks good. It looks very good. So I have no complaints, you guys. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys, let you guys get an opportunity, see how the Cantu deep treatment mask works for me. So far, so good. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.